To our Speaker Repair Masterclass, where we're diving deep into restoring crystal clear audio. Today, we're going to tackle common speaker issues and guide you through bringing your sound back to life. Many assume when a speaker sounds distorted or muffled, it's beyond repair, but often it's not. With knowledge and the right approach, you can salvage your speakers and enjoy pristine sound quality. Let's start with the speaker cone. Over time, cones can become damaged, torn, or detuned, causing vibrations that lead to distortion. Inspect the cone carefully for any visible rips, tears, or indentations. For a small tear, a specialized speaker repair kit with adhesive and a matching material can work. Apply adhesive sparingly and ensure the patch is perfectly aligned to maintain balance. Significant damage may require cone replacement, a more advanced repair. Another critical component is the surround, connecting the cone to the basket. Surrounds can degrade due to age or UV exposure, losing elasticity and causing air leaks, impacting bass response and clarity. If the surround is cracked, brittle, or detached, it needs attention. Similar to cone repair, a kit can handle minor issues. Clean the old material, apply adhesive to the cone and basket, and gently press the new surround into place. Patience and ample drying time are crucial. The voice coil is the speaker's heart, converting electrical signals into motion. Damage, overheating, or misalignment can cause buzzing, distortion, or silence. A rubbing sound when gently pushing the cone often indicates voice coil issues. For suspected voice coil problems, consulting a professional is often best due to the delicate nature of the part. However, a loose voice coil might be recentered with precision. Don't forget speaker terminals and wiring. Corroded terminals or loose connections can lead to intermittent sound or signal loss. Clean terminals thoroughly with a wire brush or contact cleaner. Ensure all connections are secure. Resoldering a loose wire can fix sound issues. Check the speaker wire itself for breaks or damage. Crossovers direct frequencies to the correct drivers. Faulty components like capacitors or resistors can alter sound, making it thin or unbalanced. Diagnosing and repairing crossovers usually requires a multimeter and knowledge of electronic components, making it more complex but often achievable. When approaching any speaker repair, safety first. Always disconnect the speaker from the amplifier before starting. Use appropriate tools and take your time. For delicate components, gentle handling is paramount. The goal is to restore the speaker's original acoustic properties as closely as possible. With these steps, you're on your way to restoring your speakers and enjoying crystal clear audio. Happy repairing?